That's why Musamseleku doesn't care about Makumalo's mansion. When Makumalo shows Musamseleku the big mansion, Makumalo was expecting that Musamseleku can get excited. That man go to have the same design for Macele because he knows that he want to spend his time with Macele, doesn't care about Makumalo. Musamseleku, guys, saw Makumalo's mansion and never came back to Makumalo. It shows that Musamseleku doesn't love Makumalo and go to do the same design because those Makumalo's design was very beautiful. Musamseleku knows that he want to spend his more time with Macele, not Makumalo. So he do the same design for Makumalo to Macele, and what I saw to Macele's designs, your new house, is quality. Even those furnitures, guys, the furnitures, you can look at those furnitures, are quality, more quality than Makumalo's, what I saw. You understand it? So Makumalo have to open here to our eyes and so that Makumalo have to enjoy her life. That house, when she brought that house, Makumalo was expecting is for them, Musamseleku, Mpilo, and Makumalo. But Makumalo, there is no need to count Musamseleku now. Musamseleku is no longer the part of your life because you can't compete with your wife. You can't compete with your wife if you love your wife, that you can go to do the same design for your another wife because you didn't contribute even a cent. What it hurts me, guys, Musamseleku didn't contribute even a cent, to Makumalo's new house, and go to do another the same design. It's better maybe when you contribute, you say, Makumalo, I can give you how much. Makumalo, guys, oh guys, I feel for that girl. Yo.